Welcome back, students. In the last period, we have seen the fourth question, that what will happen if a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated. Give the equation of the reaction. So it's a decomposition reaction. Okay, so you can see here the heating of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium carbonate means sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating produces sodium carbonate. मतलब baking soda is converted into washing soda. Remember this. So if the question is asked that how will you obtain the washing soda from the baking soda, so the solution is the answer is on decomposition of baking soda we get the washing soda. Okay, so this is the simple way of getting washing soda, sodium carbonate, from the baking soda. Then next question is write the equation to show the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Okay, reaction between plaster of Paris and water. So when plaster of Paris, that is calcium sulfate hemihydrate, CaSO4 dot half H2O plus 1.5 H2O. This is the water which we want to add. So it will form CaSO4 plus dot 2H2O. So this is the gypsum. Okay, the gypsum is formed back. Okay, on the reaction with what is this? This is gypsum. So you can see here the chemical equation between reaction of plaster of Paris and water is calcium sulfate dot half H2O. Okay, calcium sulfate dot half H2O plus 3/2 means 1.5 H2O gives CaSO4 dot 2H2O, and this is called calcium sulfate dihydrate, that is gypsum. Okay, this is a gypsum. Next question is page number 33. A solution turns red litmus paper blue. Its pH is likely to be. Now if solution is turning red to blue, it means that it is base. Okay, so and base has the pH ranging from 8 to 14. So any value out of this from 8 to 14 is, the option is 1, 4, 5 and 10. So the correct option is 10 because the basic pH is from 8 to 14. Okay, so that's the correct answer. The second question is a solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains, now see, eggshell contains calcium carbonate. Eggshell में क्या होता है? Calcium carbonate. When what they are asking, a solution reacts with crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns the lime water milky. Okay, now see, when carbonates, okay, reacts with acid. Now acid only when reacts with the carbonates, metal carbonates on reacting with acid, it forms the CO2 plus H2O along with salt. And here you can see that here CO2 when passed to the it is passed to the lime water. Lime water is your calcium hydroxide. This is called lime water. Calcium hydroxide is your lime water. So when this CO2 gas is passed through this calcium hydroxide, it turns milky because of the formation of, again, calcium carbonate. Okay, so the correct answer is acid. Okay, so the option should have any acid. So NaCl is the salt, HCl is the acid, LiCl is the salt, KCl is the salt. So there is only one acid present here, that is HCl. Okay, so HCl is the correct answer. Then eggshell contains calcium carbonate, which on reaction, you can see here the explanation, eggshell contains the calcium carbonate which on reaction with HCl liberates CO2 gas and turns lime water milky. So CaCO3 plus HCl, CaCl2, H2 and CO2. This is the reaction that takes place here. Next question is 10 ml of solution of NaOH is found to be completely neutralized by 8. So 10 ml is neutralized by 8 ml. Okay, then if we take 20 ml of same solution of NaOH, now when 10 ml NaOH was taken, 10 ml NaOH was taken, we have taken 8 ml HCl. How much? 8 ml HCl. Now we have to take 20 ml here. This volume we have taken 20, so we have to just double it. Okay, so 8 ml का HCl जो है, that we have to double it. So 4 is not double the 8 is not double the 8, 12 is not. So correct option is 16 ml. So here correct answer is 16 ml is the correct answer. You can see here solution. Since the 10 ml of NaOH requires 8 ml of HCl, then 20 ml of NaOH requires 8 into 2, that is 16 ml of HCl, and hence the answer is 16 ml. Okay, next question is, which one of the following types of medicines is used for treatment of indigestion? Indigestion means, see, treatment of indigestion, you can see here, indigestion means acidity kind of things. Okay, so we have antibiotics, analgesic, antacids, and antiseptics. Now which one of the following is the type of medicines which is used in the treatment of indigestion? Indigestion is the caused due to the acidity. Okay, indigestion is the problem that is caused due to acidity, and acidity is because of the secretion of HCl, that is acid. Okay, and to treat that we use the antacids, that is antacids, that is called bases actually. Okay, so here the correct option is antacids. Okay, antacid is the correct option, so here C is the correct option. So indigestion is due to the excess of production of acid in the stomach. Medicines used to treat is antacids. Okay, so next question is, write word equation for the balance. Write the word equation and balance the equation for the reaction taking place when dilute sulfuric acid with zinc granules. Now dilute sulfuric acid is HCl plus Zn. The product is ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Now here 2 hydrogens, so we have to make 2 hydrogens here. So I think it is balanced. This is the balanced equation. Not okay. See, the correct is this is how you can balance this reaction. Now see, second is dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon. Second question is dilute hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon. Now dilute hydrochloric acid is dilute HCl, that is liquid, or we can say aqueous, you can write the physical state also, plus magnesium ribbon means Mg solid. So on this you can see here the product is MgCl2 plus hydrogen gas. Now here chlorine is 2, hydrogens are 2, so here we have to make change here, that is 2 HCl. Okay, 2 HCl if you make, then everything is balanced. Now this is balanced. Okay, this is got balanced. Next question is third is dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminium powder. Okay, now see, dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminium powder. Now see, sulfuric acid is H2SO4 plus aluminium powder, that is Al. So this is aqueous, this is powdered, so it is solid, and then when reacts this will be replaced and then it will form Al2SO4 thrice, because Al 3 plus valency hai, and the other product is H2 gas. Okay, so that is a gas formed here. Now see, let us balance it. H2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice. Now this is 2 hydrogen, aluminium is 2 here, so you have to make 2 here, and then SO4 thrice, so we have to make it 3. Now let me change the colors of this so that you can identify. So aluminium is 2 here, so we have to make 2 aluminiums here. Then SO4 thrice hai, so we will make it 3, then 3 to the 6, so here we will also make 3. Okay, so I think this is balanced now. Okay, 3 2 are 6, 3 2 are 6, 2 aluminum, 2 aluminum. Okay, 2 aluminum, 2 aluminum, SO4 3 thrice SO4, so that is also balanced. Okay, now this is got balanced. Okay, so this is how we can balance this reaction. Next question is dilute hydrochloric acid react with the iron fillings. Okay, iron fillings, HCl reacts with HCl aqueous plus Fe solid, so it will form FeCl2 plus H2 gas. Okay, now see FeCl2, that is ferrous chloride, okay, or iron 2 chloride. So here it is just, we have to write 2 here and the equation will be balanced. Okay, so everything balanced. Okay, you can just check it out. 2HCl, Cl2 means here. Okay, so H2, so has got balanced. Next, now you can see the solutions also. So first is H2SO4. These are the solutions which we have just discussed just now. Dilute sulfuric acid. These are they have asked to write the word equation also. So this is the word equation and this is the balanced equation. Okay, H2SO4 zinc, ZnSO4 plus H2, so it is balanced. Okay, dihydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium ribbon, so this is HCl plus Mg, got MgCl2 plus. Then dilute sulfuric acid reacts with aluminum powder, so H2SO4 2Al, Al2SO4 thrice H2. Okay, so this is also got balanced. You can see HCl plus 3Fe, FeCl2 plus, this also you can see this is also got balanced. We can simplify also. You can just write HCl plus Fe, then FeCl2 plus H2. So here what we can do is you can write here 2, so you can see that 2 hydrogen, okay, then 2 chlorine, okay, then 1 Fe. So this also we can balance. We can simplify this. Okay, you can just simplify this and you can balance it also. Okay, next question is that a compound such as alcohols and glucols also contains hydrogen but do not categorize as acid described in activity, and prove it. Okay, now see insert for this we need to write an activity. So this is the this is how we can do it. So what we have to do is we have to make a cell, electrolytic cell. So insert 2 nails in the wooden rubber cork and then place in the beaker as shown in the figure. Now you can see the figure. Okay, and then put the glucose or alcohol so as to dip in the nails in glucose or alcohol. So turn the switch on and you see the bulb do not glow despite of concentration to switch connection to switch. Now empty the beaker and add HCl solution. Now see, first of all we have to take see, this is the simple electrolytic cell where we have arranged 2 nails in the cork here, and the cork is dipped in the hydrochloric acid solution, and to the circuit we have attached the bulb, and the battery is also there. When current passes, so when HCl was taken, the bulb glows. Now see, after testing with HCl we have to empty the this beaker and we have to fill the alcohol in it. So when alcohol was kept instead of hydrochloric acid, the bulb did not glow. So it proves that the alcohol and glucose also contains hydrogen but do not characterize acid. So acid conducts electricity. So it means that as the bulb do not glow, it proves that acid conducts electricity. That's why when HCl was dipped, HCl conduct electricity, but when alcohol was dipped, alcohol do not conduct electricity, because alcohol cannot ionize as H plus. Okay, alcohol does not ionize and produce H plus. So as it doesn't produce H plus, so we cannot say the alcohol is an acid. Okay, so it's a neutral product. Okay, so next question is, why does distilled water not conduct electricity whereas rainwater does? Now see, you can see distilled water does not contain ionic compounds in it. Distilled water is H2O. Okay, it's a pure H2O. तो जितना H plus है उतने ही OH minus है. So it's a neutral, and that's why the pH is 7. So it's a pure water is neutral. But when rainwater has dissolved acidic gas such as carbon dioxide from air, okay, or that forms the carbonic acid, and this means that hydrogen ions and carbonate ions are there in the presence of these. Okay, it conducts electricity. So when acid rain takes place, okay, or okay, when rainwater mixed with an acid, that time H plus ions are produced. So as the ions are produced, it becomes conductor of electricity. Next question is, why do acid do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? Why do acids do not show acidic behavior in the absence of water? So as we know that the acidic behavior from the acids is because of the presence of H plus ions. Now hydrogen ions can only be produced in the presence of water, and therefore water is definitely needed if acid has to show their acidic behavior. So you can see that as we have seen in the definition also, that acids are the compounds which produces H plus ions in the presence of water or in the aqueous solution. So H plus ions produce करने के लिए water का presence होना ज़रूरी है. So in absence of water, the acids doesn't ionize. Okay, it does not ionize, and that's why it doesn't produce the ions. And if ions are not produced, then the acid is not acid. Okay, means it doesn't ionize, and if it doesn't ionize, it will not show the acid. It will not show as acid. Okay, it will be acidic, but we cannot indicate that this acid, this compound has a H plus ions in it. Okay, so see, next question is ninth question. 5 solutions A, B, C, D and E when tested with the universal indicator shows pH 4, 1, 11, 7 and 9 respectively. Which solution is neutral? Now see, among these the pH which is having 7, as we have already seen, 7 is the neutral. Okay, 7 is neutral. Then you can see strongly alkaline means basic. So as extreme 11 is the alkaline because it is towards the extreme right. Okay, strongly acidic, so lowest pH, that is 1, is strongly acidic. Okay, so lowest is 1 here, so that will be acidic. Then next is weakly acidic, which is closer to 7 and less than 7 and close to 7 means like we have 4. So 4 is weakly acidic, and then we have weakly alkaline. So weakly alkaline is you can see here 11 and 7 we have, and 9 also we have. So 9 is weakly alkaline. Okay, so you can see here these are the answers of the questions, and we have to arrange which so increasing order of concentration is also shown here. So pH 11 is weakly alkaline, then 9 is strongly alkaline, weakly alkaline, neutral, then weakly acidic and strongly acidic. So this is how we can you can see here 11 strongly alkaline, 9 weakly alkaline, 7 neutral, weakly acidic, strongly acidic. So this is how we can classify on the basis of pH values also. Okay, so I'll just try to give you the idea of here is the 7, here is the 0, and here is the 14. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is basic. So as we go from this from 7 to 14, the basic characteristics increases. As we go from 7 to towards the 0, acidic characteristics increases. Means here 1 2 is strong, 0 1 2, 0 1 2 is strongly acidic, 3 4 5 6 is weakly acidic, ये क्या है, strongly acidic है. Then these 7 8 9, these are weakly alkaline, and this 11 to 14 is strongly alkaline, and this 7 is neutral. Okay, so this is how we can, so on the basis of this universal indicator, we can classify the pH values into the groups like strongly acidic, weakly acidic, neutral, weakly alkaline. That is, weakly alkaline in matlab weak base, and strongly alkaline matlab strong base. So I hope it's clear, and now we'll stop here, we'll continue next period. Okay.